Hello guys, welcome back to our new video guys. In today's new upcoming video I will actually gonna show you how to make your first sale in Clickbank. So if you are new to this video guys, please hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. So the very first thing I'm gonna show you guys, if you want to make your first sale on Clickbank, if you are a friendly beginner, so you're gonna put a more work and effort, and the best way and the best traffic that you are gonna use in order to make that sale. So in this video guys, I'm gonna show you one of the best traffic that I use to make money on Clickbank guys. So the best traffic, I know that is nobody, or I should say no much people know it a lot, but actually it's a new one and actually is making a claim in it. So for this video guys, don't forget to like our video, subscribe to this channel. Let's move to the video guys. So the first we're gonna go is going to your Clickbank account and actually click on login. So when you click on login while it is loading guys, so you are to put your password and login details. So let me log in to my account. So while it is loading guys, so boom, as you can see, we are on our dashboard of our Clickbank account. This is one of the new account that I just created. So let me go to marketplace and start promoting it. So boom, as you can see, here is our marketplace. So the very first thing we're gonna go is just go to marketplace. Guys, on Clickbank I will actually recommend you to go and search for which is this product, which is get paid to use Facebook. So click on search. So the what you are gonna do, or the what they will gonna pop up the result is this product, which is cost around, I don't know the price, but actually when we promote it we're gonna make at least 34 US dollars. You can see at the, so click on promote, put your nickname and click your copy or create copy. So just copy it and go to your URL shortener. For the purpose of this video I'll be using this one, so let me control V and paste it and shorten it. So as you can see, I just shorten my link. So let me go to my notepad. Where is it? So I'm clicking my notepad, so I will click Control V to paste it. So let me minimize. So now here is the place that I'm gonna show you the website that we are going to get traffic, and this website is also known as hackotlist.com. So as you can see, for they say advertise to 1,000 daily for free. So actually you can see the how things work. Trusted email and web marketing, 100% real traffic, and you can even affiliate paying up to 50% commission, get paid within 24 hours. That's the great. So let's go and create our account. So let's see, sign off. So here actually are the steps that you are going to follow in order to sign off. They will pay off for us. Put your name. So let me just use this one. How did you hear about us? Let's see, YouTube. So let's continue. Username, let me use 1000. So let's create a password, and let me use the one that I'm gonna remember. So boom, as you can see, they say password match. Let's click on this one, click on this one again, and click on I'm not a robot. So while it is loading, so let's click on create account. So as it's loading guys, please don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our channel for more updates like this on how to make money online. So after it's finished loading off, we'll see the next step. So boom, as you can see, they just said this is just a free ad, so do not click on any one of this. So just see, we are going to click our spam folder for the confirmation email. So let me quickly open my Gmail. This one, let me open my Gmail. So while our Gmail is actually loading, so let's click on our spam folder. Let's click on more and click on spam. So while it is loading guys, so boom, as you can see, here is the email. Let's click on it. Let's just click on the link. I don't need to waste your time, so let's click on confirm. As you can see, now we are on our dashboard of our account. So the only thing that remains for us is to actually send the email to our affiliates or to our viewers. So the first thing we're gonna need is to just click on submit ads. So actually when you click on this submit ads, these are the rules and follows that you are gonna follow in order to submit your ad. So the very first thing you need to do is subject line and tested URL and the body. So now for this state, what we are going to do is to just go back to our ClickBank account and actually go into affiliate page and actually copy the email swipes. As we all know, we are affiliators that we use emails in order to actually validate and actually get more followers. So here are where they see email swipes. Let's click on it. So as you can see, here are the emails that we can be able to use. Over 20 emails. So let's use number first one. So here are the subject that we are going to actually use. So let's copy this one. Yes, Control C and go back to the website and actually paste it. Let's paste. So here are the tested URL. The tested URL is our affiliate link. Let's click on Control A, Control C, and go back to the website and actually Control V to paste our URL. So now the body, so we are going to the affiliate page and actually copy the body of it. So now let's click on this one. So let's go back to ads. So let's Control V to paste it. So let's enter and go back to our email swipes and actually copy all the remaining text. So here are the remaining email swipes. So let's click on Control C and go back to that website and actually Ctrl V to paste the remaining. So boom, as you can see how our ads looks like. So let's just click on submit. So when you click on submit, they will actually view it, and actually as you can see, they say ads successfully sent to 1000 members. So now as you can see, this email will reach over 1000 people, so that once they see it, they saw it, they click on it and they buy this product. We make at least $34 for each person. So by the grace of God, if you are doing this and you give more effort, more work, and share it to your other social medias where you get your views, actually, and be tracking them, by the grace of God, you make at least one sale or two sale in a month. But if you put more work and effort, you will get a result. The more work you do, the more result you will get. So here is the actually way I get my first actually sales online, and there are more ways, or I will be dropping soon on this YouTube channel, which is Online Hustle YT. Please, if you find some value in this video, please like our video, subscribe to this channel Online Hustle YT for more videos like this. So as you can see, here is the channel, and don't forget to like other videos, because there are many videos in our channel that you can be able to use, guys. Catch up in the next video, guys.